Hello everyone. Now welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. If you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we'll be taking a look at some more DIY project ideas and reacting to them. So this one involves a lot of steps. She started off with some egg cartons. Looks like she's making some kind of face. Oh, maybe she's doing like that head statue trend. Oh, that's really cool. I think this would be like a cool little like weekend project if you're bored. Oh, she used it as a bookend. Oh, I love that idea. Very cool. So it looks like we have a mirror design for the next one. So she's doing like some glue gun silicone here. Looks like a really pretty like floral design, spray painted gold. And you can get those silicone molds from Amazon. I think this would be a very beginner friendly project, by the way. I always like to point that out. Yeah, that is cool. Wow, she really likes gold. I mean, I'm into gold, but wow, she really likes gold. That's gorgeous though. It looks kind of like it has an antique vibe to it. And we have a Dollar Tree mirror DIY. Oh, another gold design. Now this project I think would actually be beginner friendly. You just have to take your time with it. Wow. So pretty. Looks high end, like she spent a ton of money on that. Her whole home is just gorgeous. Beautifully decorated. And then we have a glue hack for if you like to do like your own faux flowers. This is how you would like do that. You have the clear glue that you can get from like the dollar store, put it in the vase, and bam, save yourself some money. So pretty. And such a definitely beginner friendly project, by the way, too. Alright, so we have a cardboard DIY. Oh, is she making a table with this? Oh no, she's making some type of shelving, I think. And bam, she's done. So she goes in with the texture, plaster, I like the simplicity behind hers, and hers is kind of thin. Like sometimes you see these projects and they're like really bulky, but I think that hers came out really nice. I still cannot get over the fact that that is like basically cardboard. Just cardboard and plaster. That is crazy to me. Oh, she made a cool little like stand for the towels in the bathroom. Oh, this is cool. I like the gold and white too. Another gold inspired project. Oh my gosh. Okay. Whoa. Oh, this is amazing. Look at those wall sconces. Oh, that is unreal. I knew what she was making halfway through. I just got so excited. That was just phenomenal. So pretty. It looked so high end. So I guess she's making a vase here. Oh, she's making a lamp. Oh my goodness. Wow. That is so beautiful. She is talented. I cannot believe that that's a paper towel roll. That is crazy. So she did the mushroom lamp trend, but with a glam take on it. That is gorgeous. Okay, we got a bunch of hangers here. Looks like you could make a wooden butterfly design with this. Oh, she's making a table. Wow. So I'm guessing the top is just a table tray. That is crazy. Wow, so cool. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out these DIY project ideas and seeing my reactions to them. If you did, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.